What's up, guys? Welcome to Miami, and let's see some awesome cars today, guys. Outside over here, it's going to be awesome cars and expensive cars. Please press the like button and subscribe to my channel because it's going to be awesome, guys. It's going to be rare cars here, and I really wish you enjoy it.
Oh, so you're controlling it.
Yo, yeah. Why do you got?
Somebody just called asking for us to lock it up. Lock the gates. Where's it? That?
This is a Diablo, Lamborghini Diablo V12 101. So it's super rare to find. It's pretty cool. Let's see what else we have around this right here. Oh look, this is pretty cool. This is another V12 Lamborghini Countach.
Yeah, right?
Oh, they did a nice design on it. It's pretty cool. Then we have we got people. Guy after Martin. It's pretty cool. That's nice. Oh, this one have my heart right here. This is a Lamborghini Murcielago 40th anniversary. It's extremely rare to find. It's one of 50 in the produced, and 117 ordinary. 117 came to the United States, so it's very rare. Sorry guys, my accent's kicking in because I'm trying my best to hold my excitement because there's a lot of rich people here, but this is pretty cool. Oh, this is nice. This is a Marine SV. Oh my beautiful baby Jesus, a Lamborghini Corrado console. Wow. Holy smoky pie. Come on people, get out of the way, man. Get out of the way. Look at this. Oh man, I'm so excited to show this to you guys. Look at this. This is a Countach. Oh, the new Countach. This costs $2 million, like around $2 to $3 million. This is beautiful, the new Countach. Let me. Oh yes, something with me, baby boy. Look at that. Listen to that beautiful V12. This is a Lamborghini Diablo GT. Oh, this is a Lamborghini Ultima. Beautiful cars. SV Murcielago. That's a Lamborghini Ultimas here. I like the putty paint on this one. It's pretty cool. SCOs. Oops, sorry.
At least the general area.
Then we have the SCO here. Alright guys, so this is a Czinger 21C 3D printer. It's a rare hypercar that you can ever find. This is like around $3 million. It produced like around 1,300, but it's an electric car. It's full electric, but it had 2 seats. And let me see if I can show you. Excuse me. I don't know if you can see it correctly. I'm sorry about that, guys. There's 2 seats here, and the control. It's teaching with the seats, bro. Look at that. This is the other part of the event. Let's see what we have. Hello. Let's see what we have here. Oh, look at this Lucas. This Lucas, I think it's like the Irvine. It's pretty cool. I never thought I was going to see one. Irvine. That's nice. Very nice car. Let's see what we have here, guys. The other part of the event. We got some classic cars. I have no idea what I'm looking at. This is a 1978 Aston Martin VA. I'm reading this, guys, so that's how I know. Oh my baby, beautiful Jesus! Don't play with my emotions. A Bugatti EB110. Guys, this is a V12 Bugatti. Holy crappy pie.
If you go straight out and make a left,
Dude, stop playing with me.
it's the whole different.
So make a left out of here and go up.
And go up 2 blocks and it's on the right and the left.
I have to keep playing with my emotions. This is a Ferrari F40 BMW. Somebody's calling me again. Oh, my friend. They keep calling me. Give me a second. This is the Jaguar XJR. This is pretty cool. A Ferrari 50. This is a Aston Martin Z. Never saw this before. It's a bright ass orange though. Look at that. Oh, that was the headlights. Oh, this thing is pretty cool. It's orange, guys. It's not yellow. It's orange. Let me show you this. It's a Ferrari F50. It's a Porsche Carrera. Oh, guys. So we got Pagani for days. Look at this line of Paganis.
I'm on 40th, right?
This is our street.
Oh, this is our street?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. No,
What
we
store
are
is
on
he in?
40th. What store are you in?
This thing is crazy. Look. Paganis. A 4GT full carbon fiber. Look at that. This thing is full carbon fiber. Bro, this costs more than $1 million. What the hell? Look, you can see the carbon fiber glistening in the sun. This thing is crazy. Yeah, Paganis. Those cars. They got a lot of Paganis here. Pagani Raro PC. This car, I like it. This one, I like it. It's a nice red. Green. Sorry, guys. Yeah. There's a lot of Paganis. This is Subarus. More Paganis. Damn, that's a lot of Pagani. Look at that. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, look at that. What the hell is that? I don't know what that is, but I need to see it. I need to share it with you guys. I have no idea what that is. Very weird. That's weird looking. Look at 2X. SCP-1. Aztec P1, something like that. Look at the wheels in the back. It's weird. It's like back in the future thing. super rare, but it's cool stuff. Damn, that line of Pagani, guys, is like 30 million or 40 million right there. Wow. Oh, look at this. Look at the frag, Italian frag. I want to show you the Italian frag on this one. I think it's crazy.
Everything is in line. Carbon fiber wheel with a magnesium center to give it.
That thing is crazy. It's called Pat, something like that. Look at this one. This thing is rare too. It's a Lucas. This is a Lucas. It's a race car Lucas. Let's see what we have over here, guys. I need to go to the front because, like I said to you in the beginning of the video, they did not let me take. Oh, stop playing with my freaking emotions. A Rimac Nevada. Bro, why you keep? Dude, I'm so excited. This is a 2023, the new one. This got 1,913 horsepower. It's an electric car, but costs like around $2 million. That's a nice Liberty Walk. Nice. Look at this. Aww.
Oh yeah, thank you. So
That's cool.
Let me show you this.
oh yeah, that's adorable, man. Thank you.
They have the cars to show.
This is pretty cool. Look at this. This is a Pofomino. This is called, what is it called? My accent. Why am my accent sticking in? It's just because I'm too excited. This is a nice A12. This is the new one. It's called like Compromise, something like that it's called. It's like Compromise. It's so with a C. So this is pretty cool. Yeah, nice. Damn. Yeah. Oops, sorry. He kind of cute too. A dirty spider. Ooh. Look at this. This is a 296 Ferrari GTS. Ain't this the new Ferrari? Oh, no. Never thought I was going to see one.
Yeah. I came early, so. You guys want to go to the...
So,
You know what?
for
Don't
GT. Look, we got the Quintal. The new one. And then we have a race car here. This always have my heart. The Bugatti Divo always have my heart. Full copper fiber is worth $8 million. W16 motor. Beautiful. Look at this Lamborghini SVJ. 1 of 63 in the world. Beautiful cutter. Beautiful spec. There's a McLaren Senna and the McLaren Speedtail. So this is a McLaren 765. This is a big ass boat. Look at that. Look at this boat. It's called Van Dutch. Van Dutch. Van Dutch 40. That's a big ass yacht. Look at that. Damn. 765 LTU. This thing is a beast. Look at that.
¿Qué mira? ¿Qué Bugatti? ¿Oíste? 10 millones. Alright guys, so it's the end of the vlog. If you like it, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and it was fun, much fun to share this with you guys. I love you so much guys, and take care. Bye.